Hello and welcome. My name is Scott and I'm the founder of Shoptoit. And today we're going to show you how you can leverage the AI Builder software from Shoptoit to create a scalable, profitable, recurring stream of profit by helping small business customers that are often ignored. So what's going on? Small businesses relied on organic rankings. They would put content on their webpage and hope to get traffic. And in many cases it worked, but this traffic is in decline. The clicks from last year were down by 60% and continue to decline. And this is having a dramatic effect on smaller businesses and their ability to compete in today's digital era. So Google states that Gemini, which is the primary culprit for these clicks going away, is only shown to 13% of searchers currently. And in 2026, the goal is to get that to 50%. So small businesses are in peril. And how will they replace it? Well, there is an easy way, surefire, to replace organic traffic, and it's running a Google search ads campaign, locally targeted, in-market buyers under your control. The problem is the profitability problem. Agencies typically do not work with smaller businesses. They don't approach them. They don't help them because they cannot figure out a profit model. If that small business has less than $2,000 a month to spend on agency fees, there really isn't much you can do to drive traffic consistently by running a Google Ads campaign because it is high touch and running Google Ads is complicated and time consuming. So the dilemma is agencies don't approach small businesses can't do this themselves, and they're missing out. We see them closing in droves. Every time you read the news, you hear about a locally independent business that has closed its doors, primarily because they can't figure out how to create a steady stream of new customers to replace the ones they used to get from organic search. So there is a solution. The Shoptoit solution, it's an entry-level bundle that's profitable for the agency and affordable for the client. And it looks something like this. We call it the always unbundle architecture. There's low friction, high intent, and high margin. It's combining a locally targeted, long-tail, AI-driven, created and managed Google search campaign for any small business trying to attract new customers and actually spending $200 a month on Google Ads and $300 a month goes to the agency. This is an entry point of $500 a month, a point where any small business can afford to take the risk to try and get that traffic back that they used to have. So it would take you as an agency under 30 minutes to create and deploy both a Google Ads campaign, feeding an AI conversational chatbot specific to that business. These are the two products in the bundle, and they take virtually 10 minutes to set up the Google Ads campaign and under 20 minutes one time to set up the conversational chatbot. There's zero maintenance. There's a full dashboard. There's no tweaking. The system will manage it and create it and run it and report on it all on your behalf. So the Google search ads are a long tail AI search created campaign. The long tail keyword campaigns target specific in-market buyers looking for the exact product and services that that small business customer sells in their local market. And because it's long tail and all the bids are being managed by the AI, we typically deliver clicks, which is how you pay Google, at 50% lower than a typical human-run Google search ad campaign. So that means that with even at a $200 a month budget, you can consistently drive qualified intent-driven traffic to that business and help them restore their leads and their funnels and their conversions. You can consistently drive a steady stream every day of engaged in-market targeted buyers with intent and revitalize that small business's outlook. The AI chatbot is there to convert traffic. These chatbots speak over 70 languages, and they have an increased conversion to the call to action, typically of about 40%. So just by putting a conversational chatbot on a website or a web page depending on where you're driving the traffic, and having it do its magic, which is engage that visitor in a question and answer dialogue, the increased call to action conversion is typically 30 to 40%. So not only are you driving traffic at a 50% discount, you're also converting it at a much higher rate, all hands off. This is no headcount, no extra investment in labor. This is a set it and forget it and let it do its work for you. So the trick with this is you need to create an understanding with that prospect that this is a non-consulting gig, that you are going to create, set up, and monitor and manage everything for them. They can go into the dashboard and see what's happening at any point in time with both their ad campaigns and or their conversation histories from the chatbots. So this is not about consulting. This is about landing and expanding. And so to maintain this $300 a month price point for you, the client expectations must be set early. Not consulting, it's fully managed and monitored, but it's hands off. It's standardized delivery. It's not customized, it's customized to the individual client, but this is just about how to get started. And if you can get them started and get them to understand that you're going to stand up this campaign, it's going to cost them $500 a month all in, again, $200 to Google, $300 to you, the agency. And after 90 days, you can do an audit and then set a roadmap for them going forward. This is the land and expand strategy, and it works amazingly well. Low risk, low price to get started. And then from there, who knows? That customer might want to continue just with the $500 investment, but more than likely, they're going to want to become a partner of yours, and they have all kinds of work to do over the next 3 years. Once you've proven that you can be trusted and you've proven that you can drive traffic to them at a price they can afford, they're going to have a whole host of other digital marketing needs that will feed your agency for years. So for the SME, the small business, this is a professional grade lead engine for only $500 a month all in. They have no work to do. For the agency, it's a $300 a month recurring revenue, and the setup on each account is literally 30 minutes. Total work, and there's no ongoing headcount costs. This is not about adding staff to your agency. This is about using AI-based tools like Shoptoit AI Builder suite to be able to grow your business at scale. There's no reason why you can't get 25 to 50 customers on this program. The big picture is a massive automated pipeline of warmed up clients. If you go out there and do this, you create a base of between 25 and 50 small business customers using this bundle, you're going to be set forever for your agency. They will be warmed up clients and they will feed your pipeline with requests for value-added services for years to come. So what is in the AI Builder software? AI Builder is two specific independent platforms. One is the Chatbot Builder and one is the Google Ads Builder, both powered by Shoptoit AI. When you put it into a bundle, you're going to be able to guarantee them traffic. You're going to be able to convert that traffic at a high conversion rate. It's always on, it's multilingual. And with this bundle at $500 a month, it's going to cost you roughly $60 a month in software fees to Shoptoit. That's it. There's no setup fee. There's always support. But if you can get 50 customers on this platform, you're going to have a net profit per customer per month of $240. And that's going to yield about $150,000 in recurring profit to you annually. This is a very stable, great add-on to your existing agency. We provide a lot of case studies showing actual results, whether it's with display advertising or whether it's with locally targeted, low cost per click search ads. We have great case studies around what their actual increase in return on ad spend is by using an AI-based tool, what they can expect. And it's very simple. To start a search campaign, you literally need to answer 4 questions. Where do you want the traffic? What's the destination URL? What's the budget and language that you want the ad campaign to be in? And then what is your target area? You can target by city, you can target by radius, you can target by zip codes, you can target in many different ways, but it's very easy. And then you need to decide who is paying Google. In some cases, the agency will pay for the ads and collect from the client. In most cases, the agency will set up the client to pay Google directly. It's very simple. It's just an email process from Google. Once that billing user is established, the campaigns will go live. Then you can optionally tell the AI if there's a specific focus or if there's a specific goal with this campaign. And literally in 2 days, that campaign will be live and delivering traffic on a consistent daily basis to your customer at a low cost per click. It's really that simple, meaning any business can benefit from this and you can help them at scale. When it comes to the conversational chatbots, they do increase conversion to the call to action. Why? Because every visitor shows up at a website with questions. And now, in today's world, we ask that visitor to search and scour through the website to find the answers. And hopefully, based on the answers they find, they will go to the next step, which is the call to action, whether that's a phone call or book an appointment or buy something or book a table, whatever it happens to be. But it is expected that over 80% of every small business will ultimately have a conversational chatbot on their website because consumers are going to pull them through this. When I land on your pizza place website, I don't want to have to download your PDF menu and then read it just to find out if you have a gluten-free option. I'd rather ask my phone if there's a gluten-free option and have the bot go find the answers and display them in a conversational manner, encouraging that next step, which is come in and order a pizza. So if you're not helping the small business with these AI conversational chatbots, somebody else will be. So when you run an ad campaign into a chatbot, it works extremely well and justifies the $300 a month spend that customer is paying for you to manage their business for them. Adding a chatbot is absolutely simple. Give it a name, give it data, crawl a website, upload a PDF, type in FAQs, whatever you want to do, give it data. And that chatbot is constrained to only answer from the data that it's provided. So each chatbot is separate, unique, and individual to that business. And it can just make itself by crawling a website and turning on a chatbot. You can preview the chatbots, which you can use as prospecting tools, or you can use it for training. But literally in 10 minutes, you'll have a chatbot built and functional. You can add all kinds of customizations to it. You can have it ask questions. You can include links. You can include call to actions. You can do a lot of different things with it, but you don't need to get started. You can just get it going. And chatbots learn and grow over time. And they do because they monitor the conversations. So as they get more questions, they get better at answering it over time. And if it has a problem answering a question, meaning the data has not been given to provide a suitable answer, it will alert the user and have them go in and type in a better answer. So literally you can see the conversations and they literally say, create an answer, type in a better answer, type in a better answer, hit save. It's now been added to the database and it learns and grows and gets better over time. So first mover advantage on chatbots for businesses is important because after 2-3 years of use, they become the most knowledgeable employees on that business, period, bar none. They work exceptionally well. So if you can go out and use this platform to just get 25 small business customers, this is every networking event that you go to. This is every consultant. This is every restaurant. This is every plumber, lawyer, dentist, real estate agent, mortgage broker, insurance agent. This is every small business is eligible for this, and you can help all of them. They don't need to be verticalized, meaning you don't need to niche out. The issue is the same. If you want the phone to ring, if you want the forms to be filled in, you need a quality source of traffic. And you used to be getting traffic off organic rankings and SEO. It's diminishing. Let's replace it by getting you a steady stream at a budget you can afford, no work on your end. Just 25 new customers will generate $81,000 in recurring profit annually to your agency. That can cover the costs of your agency just with 25 customers. Go find them, set them up, get them started, show them results, grow with them over time. That's the basic premise of our builder software. So let's get started. Go find some small business customers to help. The Shoptoit Builder platform, you can create a free account so you can get familiar with the back end. And when you're ready to activate a customer, our software starts at $39 a month for a customer, $39 for the Chatbot software, and $39 for the Ads Builder software. All you need is a subscription to go live, and your ads and your chatbot will be fully functional, literally in under 30 minutes of your time. Thank you very much. Hopefully we see you in the quick stream.